Communication is something that deals with the various tricks and trades of getting to a perfect platform where you can communicate easily, properly, and control the communication at the same time. There's a saying that diplomats never say no. If they say yes, that is a maybe. If they say maybe, that is a no, but they will never say no. That amounts to politicians, at least most of them as well. So that is very important to understand that you never should say no. You can say maybe, you can say that that's a lie, but you can kind of assure yourself that at least I will give it a small try, right? So never say no. You can say that maybe, or say that I shall try and give it a small try. That's no harm in that. Secondly, Theodore Roosevelt, when he grew up and became famous in the public life of the United States of America, he believed in one very important thing, and that is that there is no point in criticizing people and making that person go against you or take a stand that is against you. You cannot change a person's outlook. You can present your own views and say that your point of view is also important, because in a democratic setup we should respect each other's point of view and we should take into account. Thank you for providing a fresh idea. Thank you for providing a fresh perspective. So that is what is beautiful in this way of communicating, in which you don't antagonize people, you don't make people angry. You present your opinion in the most logical and rational way. And when the other person presents his or her opinion, say that thank you for providing a fresh idea, a fresh perspective, and there is food for thought in your idea as well. So maybe the person will accept your thoughts and understand his follies. But if you directly antagonize a person, go against him, all guns blazing, then there is a sure possibility he is not going to listen to you. So that is the art of never saying no. That is the art of never making people angry. And that is the art of controlling the whole communication process, so that the person there's a possibility that the person will understand your points of view and deal with you accordingly in that situation. At that point, you are the person who controls the communication process. There is no point in making somebody angry. There is a way of making the person understand through presenting your point of views in a logical and rational way. So that is how it works, and that is how it should be. So never say a no and never make people angry.